Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we're going to show you how to clean up pig's large intestine. If you want to know how to clean the smaller intestine, I have a video done already, so feel free to go over and have a look. First, we need to rinse the large intestine. This is a very important step in cleaning the pig's intestine. We will try to get rid of as much slime as possible. Drain the water off. Repeat a few times. So we'll do this about 4 or 5 times. Right, as you can see, the water is less milky now. Drain them off of the water. It's out from here. Put it back in. Now we put in 2 tablespoons of sea salt, as well as 4 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour. Same thing. Mix them up well. You can use any salt if you want to. If you don't have sea salt at home, you can just use whatever salt that you have. You can use normal flour if you want to. Okay, do this. You have to really rub it down. Rub it down hard. Okay. You need to get rid of the slime, otherwise when you cook it that time you'll be very, very smelly. You just do this a few times, and then you have to turn it inside out, and we'll clean the inside again. Now you have to do this several times, 3 or 4 times, rub it in. External, interior, the same thing also. So this is done. Just put this aside. Now as you can see, there's some brownish stuff. Later we will wash and we will use a knife to scrape all this off, but now we just want to get rid of the slime as well as the smell. Now I've rubbed inside and outside for about 5 or 6 times already, and these are some of the fats that I've actually pulled them out. So I'm going to dispose of this. Now I'm going to rinse this in plain water again for about 3 or 4 times. You wash until the water runs clearer. So you can see there's still some fats on this intestine over here. Later we will just use a knife to actually just scrape them off. For anything that you can remove by hand, please do so too. And this is actually part of the fat. We will wash this one last time. Now we're going to use vinegar to rub it in, also to remove the odor that's from this large intestine. Approximately 1 cup of vinegar. Rub it in, inside and outside also. At this stage, you will not feel any slime on the large intestine anymore. Now it's just to get rid of the odor. Turn it back. Pull and rub. Okay. Continue with the rest, exactly the same thing. Here's the last piece that I'm washing through the vinegar. Just pour the water off. You need to rinse this several times again. You need to wash the outside as well as the inside again. This might seem like a lot of effort, but it's really worth it, because once you clean it well and you cook it well, this is really a very nice dish. Okay, we just turn it over again and wash the inside. And I can feel that it's very, very clean. Just continue to do the rest the same. So after this is done, we remove the fats of this intestine. Any visible part of fats that you see, you try to remove it as much as possible. right? Just cut it off. So continue with the rest, remove the fats. After that, we just need to rinse this another 2 times and we will start to cook them.